Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable cellular data on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin and first get into settings. If you can't find that settings icon, you can swipe over to your another home screen and you probably may find it here. If you still can't find it, just swipe down at any of your home screens. It moves you to the search and then just start typing settings, and now you are able to get into settings in that way. Then right here tap on cellular, and at the very top you can easily find that cellular data switcher. All you have to do in order to disable it, just hit on that, and now cellular data is disabled at your device and you can easily enable it by tapping at that switcher again. Another way to enable or disable cellular data is open up Control Center, just swipe down from top right corner. In that way, that opens up Control Center, and right here you can find that cellular data icon. Once it highlighted with green, it means that cellular data is currently enabled. You can hit on that. Now it's the background is kind of gray or transparent, and that means that cellular data is toggled off. And in that way you can enable or disable it in any time. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.